Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on what's happening at the Manley International Airport. A lot of major developments are taking place there. But Jamaica is getting ready for a record-breaking winter tourist season. This is a time when a lot of tourists come to Jamaica, and Jamaica has opened some massive hotels this year, like Princess Resorts in Hanover, Rio Aguilera in Trelawney. So a lot more tourists or visitors are coming to Jamaica this month. So the airports that get sometimes congested are making plans to try to deal with the increase in passenger load. So today we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what is happening at the Manley International Airport. Minister of Science, Energy, Telecommunications and Transport, Honorable Darrell Vaz, says preparations are underway to address potential congestion at the island's airports during the upcoming holiday season. I made sure to check with Immigration and Customs in relation to what provisions they're making. New kiosks have been installed, which will also ease the issue of immigration congestion, he noted. He said that while some challenges may arise during peak periods, particularly at the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay, where most tourists enter Jamaica, he remains confident in the readiness of the facilities. The minister was speaking during a tour of the Manley International Airport in Kingston to observe the progress of upgrading work at the facility. Mr. Vaz said he was satisfied with the renovations done at the facility to date, which include retiling of the check-in area and upgrading of the air conditioning system, which have enhanced the look and feel of the airport. Other projects which are at various stages include restroom expansion, rehabilitation of the apron and runway extension, installation of a new passenger loading bridge, covered walkways and pickup areas, and upgrading of the customs and arrival sections. My best information is that the issue of the apron is far advanced and a contractor has been selected. The runway extension project is expected to take about 27 months and the apron 18 months, the minister indicated. He informed that mobilization of these projects is set to begin in the first quarter of next year. The tour reflected a commitment to enhancing Jamaica's aviation infrastructure and improving passenger experiences at one of the island's key international gateways. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.